Hello, this is Elsa Smithgall, curator at the Phillips collection. Welcome to Stella Sounds, the Scarlatti K Series, on view at the Phillips collection through September 4th. For the first time in a museum exhibition, the Phillips collection presents selections from the Scarlatti Kirkpatrick Series by the pioneering American abstract artist, Frank Stella. Begun in 2006, Stella's ongoing series is inspired by the harpsichord sonatas of the 18th century Italian composer Domenico Scarlatti and the writings of the 20th century American musicologist Ralph Kirkpatrick, who popularized Scarlatti's music and produced the definitive catalog of the sonatas in 1953. Stella's swirling polychrome forms loop and spiral in space, evoking the sounds and rhythms of Scarlatti's music. Each piece integrates sculptural elements with the pictorial qualities of painting and drawing. Their gestural forms and sweeping color have their antecedents in the art of Wassily Kandinsky, the subject of a concurrent exhibition at the Phillips collection. Throughout the series, now numbering over 150 works, Stella experiments in a range of formats and sizes. The exhibition includes 8 variations on the theme, from a multicolored 12-foot construction to a 2-foot monochromatic form. For Stella, each piece begins as a handcrafted form, which is scanned into a computer. After refining the design, Stella begins the complex process of fabricating forms using a lightweight white resin known as Protogen RPT that he counterbalances with armatures made of coiled steel tubing. Stella's bold new series serves as a crowning achievement to his distinguished 5-decade-long career. Don't miss the special debut of the Scarlatti Kirkpatrick Series, on view at the Phillips collection through September 4th.